Hello guys, this is Dodong Gigi. Welcome to my channel. This is my VTOL airplane drone, and look at that, it's a combination of airplane and drone. You can see there's two propeller here, one in this side and one in this side, and one on the tail and also in the bottom. It's like 4-engine propeller VTOL. It's very light. It's a 94 grams airplane drone, including the batteries. Guys, look at that. Here the battery compartment where you can put the battery, guys. Put it like that and you slice it. You slice it like that. Here's the antenna here. Okay, and this is the controller. See, as you can see, it's just like a drone remote controller. This one you can push it up and down, turn left, turn right, and this side is like you make it forward, backward, turn left, turn right. And also here you can use the left, right, forward, reverse button. There's a switch, on and off switch. And also here this an auto return home, just like a drone, guys. And this one is a plus minus, that you can speed up the drone plane. And also you can press here the home. Also you can press this button for takeoff or and landing. So let's go, guys, how to operate this. Here this is a mini switch here. When you switch it, you can see the light, it's blinking, it's on. And then we're gonna turn on the controller, and we're going to pair it. You press this one up and down, and you can see the light stop. And I think it's ready to fly, guys. Alright, let's start it. Let's fly it, guys. Turn this side. Uh-oh. Come on, babe. I'm trying to push it here, but it's going away. Alright, come on. Come on, struggle with the wind, guys. Look at that, struggling with the wind. Getting far away. I'm trying to push it here back, but it's okay, it's coming, but it's very slow. Right there. Alright, guys, it's really good for kids. I advise you guys, when you fly this one, you fly it with no level, no wind or level 1 wind. Above that, this one would struggle. See that? The wind is blowing it away. Come on, come on. Struggle with the wind. and it landed there. Guys, this one it's good to fly outdoor. I mean indoor. You fly it outdoor, make sure there's no wind, or you're gonna have in trouble. I advise you guys not to fly this in the windy condition, but right now it's, you can see that one is struggling with the wind. It's right there. It's hovering. Oh, there's a tree. Don't go to the tree. Up. Oh, there's a tree. Don't go there. There's a tree. Don't go there in the tree. Oh, there's a tree. Damn it. It's right there, guys. OMG. Stuck in the tree, guys. It's stuck in the tree. Let's move my other drone. You can see, guys, it's stuck there. I don't know if I could shake that tree, shake that tree and fall down. Let's see. Let's shake it. Let's shake the tree, guys. This thing won't budge. Shit. The tree won't budge, guys. Let's do some branches. It's right there, guys. Oh, thank you. I got one stuck. Thank you. The guy gave me this ball to throw that thing. Oh no! Oh, it's right there, still flying, guys. Look! It came down, it's still flying. See, nothing happened, guys. My other drone is right there recording me. Nothing happened, guys. Look. Come on this way. See, nothing happened, guys. No scratch. Don't go near the drone because the wind is so strong. Alright. Don't stuck there. Alright. Whew. This fun, guy. It crashes, stuck in the tree, and I think still flying. Still flying, guys. Still flying. Look at that guy, still flying. Still flying. Whew. Still flying, guys. Oh. Oh. All right. Let's put it up. Don't go that far. Still flying, guys. Oh, the battery guy lasts really long. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, still flying, guys. It's still flying. Oh shoot, flying. Oh shit. No more battery. Struggle, guys. No more battery. See, the engine still running, but I think it's losing the battery, guys. Let's do it. Still flying. Don't get near close to my drone, guys. This is fun. Still have battery. Oh, dead. Man, it crashes. No more battery. Oh, still working. Engine still working. Let's do it. Still working. See, that's the problem, guys. I think that's it. No more battery. No more battery, guys. Even though the engine's still on, struggle. This thing is strong material. No more battery. My drone still there, still recording me, guys. They're still recording me. See, the engine still working, but losing battery. That's it. That's it. So my conclusion, guys, this thing cannot fly on a windy condition. Small blow of the wind, just go far away. The wind is blowing it away far. I think that's it. Guys, you can fly this indoor and outdoor, but my advice is not to fly in the windy condition. At least level 1 wind or no wind. According to my meter here, I only reached now it's like 0.7 or 1.5 wind level. This one struggle, but it's very durable material. Stuck on the tree, I crashed it so many times, still nothing happened. So this one came out. This is a rubber, guys. See, this is a foam. Even you got hit on this full speed, you're not gonna get hurt because this is a rubber. Alright, guys, let's go home. I'm putting down my drone that recording me. This drone recording me what's happening in the ground. Guys, put that drone down. Alright, guys, let's go home. This airplane drone cannot handle level 2 wind. I got in my meter level 1.5 wind. Struggle. When it's blowing it away, go farther. But it's very durable. It crashes so many times. Stuck on the tree, hit on the tree, this nothing happened. No scratches, nothing. Very durable material because it's very light, that's why. I think just because it's very durable material. I think just also because it's very light. It's good to fly out indoor. To fly outdoor, make sure no wind or level 1 wind. That's it. More than that, the wind will blow it away. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Let's go home.